How to use Sideshift app, find jobs and get paid. So new Gen Z app. Definitely, I recommend you to try it out, especially if you're a college student. This is the fun way to find extra gigs, part-time jobs, freelancer jobs, super easily. But this, I would say, these are like premium jobs. This is not like Upwork. These are some nice companies which are looking for content creators, brand ambassadors, campus representatives, and so on. Some big brands, some growing startups, which, it's quite a good opportunity. There are not that many jobs in here, to be honest, but this is the app for Gen Zs, built by Gen Zs, and it's getting some traction on TikTok. Start earning, stop scrolling, join thousands of students using Sideshift to land their next gig and get paid. Browse all sorts of part-time Gen Zs, and then you can just open it up. And then here's how it looks like. So you see like a lot of content creators, small salaries, but these are like part-time gigs. If you need like additional $500,000, you can just earn it here. Some campus ambassadors, for example, if you're a student in college, you can become just a college ambassador. Probably you need to organize like few events and earn some revenue. UGC creator, or make TikToks, simple short TikTok video creator, TikTok creator, UGC creator for deploying app. All of these, claim creator, make viral TikToks, all of things which you can do in here. And yeah, so that's basically how you get started. Then you can just earn additional income.
Hey there, we are so
Yeah, this app is a bit glitchy. Sometimes it's just doesn't load for me, but still works. So trending gigs, you can see stuff peaks, then messages, applications, interviews, groups. Then you can see profile. Then you can also upgrade super cheap premium version, $1 per week, and then you can see settings in here where you can delete your account, block users. Just add your work experience, add your skills, add your posts, and yeah, so that's the app. Especially if you're like a college student, there are a lot of like niche jobs, I would say, like campus ambassador, again, like campus representative, all kinds of gigs where you can get your foot into some big company or some growing startup. So try it out.